Welcome back to Oppos's Hack of the Week. We're here to keep you updated on the latest cybersecurity threats and tips. If you're interested in staying ahead of the curve when it comes to protecting your business and personal data, make sure to hit the subscribe button below for more cybersecurity news and insight. Also, remember at Oppos, we offer vital services like penetration testing and compliance services to secure your operations. Now, let's dive into our featured Hack of the Week. The well-known company Clorox fell victim to a significant cyber attack on August 14th, causing a ripple effect through its IT systems and operations. Post the attack, Clorox had to scale down its operations and shift to manual order fulfillment, leading to a temporary shortage of many products. Actions were immediately taken to halt the attack, which included shutting down the affected system. Although the attack has been contained, Clorox is yet to bounce back to full-fledged operations. The disruption severely impacted Clorox's ability to manufacture and supply its cleaning materials, which, in turn, has materially affected its financial stance for the current quarter, with a notable 2% fall in its share price. The cyber threat was first recognized through unauthorized activities on their IT network on the very day of the attack. Working alongside law enforcement and cybersecurity experts, Clorox sprung into action to mitigate the damage. Now on the road to recovery, Clorox has restarted production at most sites, with hopes to gradually return to a full production. They've transitioned to manual order processing and aim to re-automate this process in the coming week. They continue to collaborate with external cybersecurity specialists and law enforcement to investigate and rectify the incident. Now, let's talk about Oppos's take on this. The release details might be limited, but they tell a story. The cyber attackers possibly breached and held ransom, or infected with malware the order fulfillment system of Clorox. The nature of the attack suggests the necessity of frequent penetration testing and the regular patching of software applications and network entry points to avert such incidents. This breach demonstrates the crucial need for robust cybersecurity measures in today's digital landscape. Here at Oppos, we provide penetration testing for both applications and networks to help identify and mitigate such risks before they can be exploited. Stay protected, stay informed. Subscribe to Oppos for more cybersecurity updates, and reach out for personalized guidance on implementing a security framework that caters to your organizational needs. Our mission is to equip you with the right tools and knowledge to ensure a fortified digital front. Hit the subscribe button below and ring the notification bell to stay up to date with the latest in cybersecurity. Tune in next week for another insightful episode of Oppos Hack of the Week.